Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I'm back with a great resource again. And in this video, I'll be talking about a great resource from Google itself about web development. So if you're someone who is looking to learn web development, then there is a very go-to resource for you. So, like as we always search for good resources in the internet over the number of sites, but here you can find a great website from Google itself and all about web development, and it is named web.dev. Okay, so this is the website link web.dev, and okay, you can just visit this website. So I will be talking about all this what this website is all about. Okay, so if you move down, this is the like front page, and they are just telling what the things are, and like you can learn about themes on CSS. Okay, then there are case studies, blogs, and this is an overview page, I guess, and we'll talk each and every one. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Accessibility, payments. So this is the front page. So we will just jump into topic by topic. So if you click on about, okay, so this is the about page, and this is all about what this site is all about. So you can just read out, okay, guidance from Chrome developer relations, and on this site you can find these and all the stuff they have written in a good way, the team behind maintaining this site, and other latest stuff related to Chrome. They have also updated the recently Google I/O happened, right? So thanks for turning into Google I/O was the Chrome content. You can visit watch this site. Okay. uh, so it's all about Google I/O, right? So there is taking to Google I/O. Okay, so this is the about page. Then if you click on blog, so they have listed some good blogs related to web development. You can read out new CSS color spaces, and it's written by Rachel Andrew. Then new to web platform in May, and all the stuff. Very informative, very good blogs are there, and you can just read anyone of your choice. Okay, if you just click on a random blog, and then this is how the blog opens, and this is also the pinpoints about what these the main topics of the blog, and also you can read out the whole blog. Okay, then getting back, so this is the blog section. These concepts of some good blogs, and then this is a page one, and this is something 28 pages of blogs are there. So you can just read out that, explore a bit about what the kind of blog you're looking into and want to read, and you can want to get knowledge from. So you can just explore that, right? Similarly, we will hover to learn section. So this is the most interesting part of this site. You can learn web development from very good teachers, and it's all free, right? So learn privacy. You can learn about privacy, learn about accessibility, learn about HTML forms, learn responsive design, images, learn PWA, learn CSS. All those things, it's all free, and you can just as you can see, we have come to learn CSS, and they have listed the various topics in CSS. If you just go to animations, and inside also animation, they have listed the other things, right? Animation step by step. So you can learn all these web development topics. No need to worry about other, uh, I would say, resources, and come direct into this site. It is all maintained by Google developers, and you can just learn for free. So that is really amazing. Okay, so getting back, similarly, there are other courses also. You can just visit each and every one what topic you want to learn about, and just click on the design basics, something like that, and it will open out, and you can just read it out, right? So similarly, getting back, Okay, now if we click on explore, um, so this is the page opened, the explore page. So here you can explore different collections, okay, on some topics. So like there are collection for core web vitals, metrics, fast load times, how to optimize interaction in Nextpaint. Then there is collection regarding progressive web apps accessible to also. You can visit also these things, and you can learn from the things they have listed here. So we will open any one, animations, identity, React, Angular, mini apps, all those things are there. So let's click on animations. So this is the animation collection. So there is overview. So they have listed some links regarding this in this collection, and if you click on this, so respective blog will be opening. Okay, so you can read about these things. Okay, where are animation? Why are animations slow? So you can read about this thing here. So just explore about it a bit. I mean, which kind of collection you are interested in? There are many collections right here. Then it is on the basis of all also. We are listing all collections. Then on the basis of performance, you can select this performance uh, collections. Then build excellent website collections. Okay, so you can similarly visit and explore a bit and learn from these things, right? Next, we will move into patterns. So this is the pattern page. So you can learn about patterns from here. Okay, different patterns like advanced app patterns, animation patterns, right? Like CSS or JavaScript. So they have written the collection of animation new techniques built using CSS or JavaScript. Then clipboard patterns, layout patterns, component patterns. These are the things will be needed when you are building a project. So this is a great source to learn from here. Then media patterns, theming patterns, web vital patterns. Okay, so you can just explore these things. So let's click on animation patterns or component patterns. Let's click on component patterns. So they have listed like breadcrumbs, buttons, how to create a breadcrumb, right? How to create a button, all those things. The code snippets are added. So if you are also getting stuck in your code, so you can take it, just look into this and take motivation, or like try to get to know how to make these animations on your own, right? The code snippets are there similarly for HTML, JS, and CSS. So I guess that will be not a big issue for you, and you can like not the exact thing. You can take motivation, or just learn how to make buttons, right? How to create different kinds of button. The extra the thing you can do on your own, but just to create, just to know, you can take motivation from the code they have written, and just explore a bit. Similarly, there are other things also. Media controller, for everything they have listed the code. Okay, so that will be not a big issue for you, and you can copy this thing and try on your own, and also can take motivation and just edit a bit on your own, right? So these are the things. Switch, stories, side nav, all these things that they have listed, so you can explore a bit on your own. All the code snippets I've listed, so that will be not a big issue for you, and a great source for you to learn things, right? So similarly, we'll get back. So these is the patterns, right? Other patterns are also there, web vital patterns, theming patterns. If you similarly click on this, then these things will be opening, and they have listed the code snippet. So very easy to process. Then at the last, they have listed case studies. So you can also learn about different case studies that are needed to know, and also in interviews, even case studies are like asked. So you can similarly learn about these things, how Redwas improved their website interaction to next paint in English. So that may be related to some topic, can be asked in interview, or some general case studies that is interesting, and for your own knowledge it will be beneficial, right? So how GoDaddy website's marketing service improve customer vitals. So these are the blogs written by someone, and you can similarly learn about this case study, how the things happened, and it will make you interest and develop your knowledge a bit. Similarly, there are a lot of case studies. There are 6 pages of case studies that there. We are in the first page only. So just explore a bit about this. Okay, spend your time, and I will make sure that from this website web.dev you will get to know a lot of things for your own knowledge, for your development process, and for your all engineering lifeline, right? So this is the case study page. Okay, so I guess that's all about this website. You can search something also. This is a search thing, but okay. So this is all about this website. Okay, I have just given an overview what the website is all about. What are the things they have listed here that will be beneficial for you, and you can learn things. So and also get to learn a lot of extra things, case studies that will be beneficial for your computer science journey, and also for your own knowledge as an engineer. Okay, so these are out this website, and also like they have listed thanks to turning into Google I/O. So you can, if you miss the Google I/O, you can just click on this link and also watch the Google I/O from here. As this is maintained by Google, so they have listed this thing. So this is all about this website, and I hope you get to know what this website is all about, what are the things they have listed, and I hope that will be very beneficial for you. And I just gave an overview, and it's now your own job to explore other things, and just dig into different topics, learn from there, and invest on your own computer science journey. And I will just end up this video with this, and I hope you subscribe my channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.